Okay, so here we have some audio that I want to make louder before posting it to YouTube, Instagram, iTunes, or whatever platform you're uploading to. Well, if you've gone through the setting level section in my full course, you'll know that we can't go beyond 0 dB without clipping our audio. So, how do we achieve louder audio if we can't go beyond 0 dB? The answer? Through limiting. I'm willing to bet a lot of you watching right now are frustrated when listening to your audio compared to other people's audio, trying to figure out how the heck they were able to get their audio as loud as they do while your audio continues to sound weak and quiet. Well, I'm about to show you how. All I'm going to do is pull up my limiter, set its maximum amplitude, aka threshold, to -1 dB, increase the input boost to taste, and voila. Your audio is now louder than you were ever able to get it before. What's happening here is the limiter is squashing the audio like a sandwich. Setting my maximum amplitude, aka threshold, to -1 dB ensures none of my audio will get past -1 dB, therefore my audio will never clip. But here's where you gotta be really careful. While increasing the maximum amplitude does increase the volume of your audio, you don't want to push this too far. In order for you to not exceed -1 dB and not clip your audio while also turning up the volume of your audio at the same time, the limiter is squashing your audio together, which in turn gives you a perceived loudness. Just like you don't want to overcompress your audio, you don't want to overlimit your audio either. Both have similar results. Take a listen for yourself. Okay, so here we have some audio that I want to make louder before posting it to YouTube, Instagram, iTunes, or whatever platform you're uploading to. Too much of anything is typically a bad thing. Now, just in case you're incredibly lost here, take this audio, for example. Check out how it looks before I limit it. Look at the waveform, the natural peaks and valleys in the audio that resemble mountains. Well, once I overlimit the audio, see how it becomes basically a sausage, as they call it in the industry? All the natural peaks and valleys are gone. Now, let's listen to them back to back. Okay, so here we have some audio that I want to make louder before posting it to YouTube, Instagram, iTunes, or whatever platform you're uploading to. Okay, so here we have some audio that I want to make louder before posting it to YouTube, Instagram, iTunes, or whatever platform you're uploading to.